In this video, let's see another numerical problem focusing the concept of intervals in which a function is increasing or decreasing. Now the question says, find the intervals in which fx is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 15 is first part increasing, second part decreasing. CBSE previous year problem again. Let's start with the solution, writing solution. Now, the first step, as you all know, is finding f dash x. So let's differentiate this fx, f dash x. 2x cube, differentiation is what? 6x square. Now you know differentiation, let's be quick. It is 18x, it is plus 12. Can we take something common? Definitely 6 can be taken out as common. X square minus 3x plus 2. This is your f dash x and this will be of very much use to us. Let's put it in a box and equation number 1 is it. Now, f dash x is found out. First part is for increasing. So let's write the first part. Let's write increasing. That's it. For increasing, you definitely know that you have to put what? You have to put f dash x greater than 0. Putting the given thing greater than 0 means what? 6 x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. 6 can be eliminated easily. So it is x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. Can you put it in such a form that there are two factors? Yes, you can split the middle term. So it is nothing but x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 greater than 0. Taking things common, x minus 2 minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0, or simply speaking x minus 1, x minus 2 greater than 0. Now what is the methodology to find out the intervals from this? Simply draw a number line. Put individually these brackets equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0 gives me x is equal to 1. So I write here x is equal to 1. X minus 2 equal to 0 gives me x is equal to 2. Now what you have to do is just place them on the number line the way they should be. So 1 should be somewhere here, if 2 should be somewhere here. Definitely 2 is greater, so it should be here. Now what to do? You have to start with plus and jump alternatively. That means you start with plus, alternate to it is again plus, midway it is minus then, right? Another branch is not there, only 1, 2, 3 branches are there. So the increasing one would be what? The plus signs would be increasing ones. Plus signs would be increasing one means the increasing intervals are what? The answer to increasing intervals is 2 to the end, that means 2 to infinity, and also 1 to the end here. So it is minus infinity to 1 and you put union. This is the way things are to be done. Most of you might know this, but for some who do not know, I have actually told the whole procedure. Let me repeat it again. Find f dash x. For increasing, put f dash x greater than 0. You are going to find the intervals from here and the plus ones will give me the increasing, and for decreasing you do not have to solve the whole thing. Directly from here 1 to 2 has minus, so for decreasing 1 to 2 is the answer. If you want to solve it full, I will tell you even that also. How to do it? Same manner, put f dash x less than 0. Here it will be less than 0, here it will be less than 0, rest everything will be same. Less than 0 means take the negative branch, that's it. So the answer to the first part, that is increasing, is what? It is actually going to be solved from this manner and the answer would be something like this, minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. For decreasing, it will be 1 to 2.